And this check engine light started blinking twice now on this trip. A smart person would just drive home nice and carefully. We're gonna do a poll because I'm recording and I always pressure myself. Like this weird feeling in my stomach that something's gonna happen. Morning, everybody. Top of the morning. Car looks a little funky on the waffles with the bad fitment, but we're not even gonna get close to that. I don't want to rip the car with the Meisters on, so I hope you guys can understand that. And it has bad tires. These are bad tires, so bad tread all around, but we're gonna take the car out for you guys, get some more POV driving, and just have a chill morning. It's Saturday. Have a good little, bonding time with the car. Couple of things to talk about before we hop into this though. We still have the check engine light that I was worried about last time, and I don't know, maybe it'll go away this ride, I don't know. After we put on the lightweight crank pulley, we're just gonna still take it out. I think the car is running perfectly fine. It's starting to get light out here. Let's take the car out. No Cisco today. We got Gorgy 4G. Clear. Wear your seatbelt, guys. We are taking Germantown Road today, guys. If you know what that is, pretty OG spot in the Portland area. You guys know my shop is right off the St. John's Bridge, so we're already here. Here we are. Guys, the problem with Germantown, oh man, this is sharp. The problem with this run is if anything happens to the car, there's nowhere for me to pull off. There's a couple spots up there, but hopefully the car's okay. It's gonna be pretty dark for you guys on the way there, so bear with me. Another speed bump? Come on, man. Running up here at 7 in the morning. That's a far run. Alright, made it to the top. Car's feeling good. Should get a little brighter out here. Tires are garbage. They break loose way too quick. Nasty bump. We definitely want to tear into this thing this winter time. So this is definitely gonna be one of the last times I'm taking this car out this year. I just want to get my hands dirty in that motor bay and start cleaning things up and doing the proper maintenance and stuff that needs to be done before next year. Oh man, this looks sick right here. Nice chill ride in the morning. Ooh, almost missed my turn. And this check engine light, it started blinking twice now on this trip. The smart person would just drive home nice and carefully. We're gonna do a poll because I'm recording and I always pressure myself. But I don't know, I get like this weird feeling in my stomach that something's gonna happen that I'm gonna regret. And then I do a first gear pull. Car feels perfectly healthy. I don't get no traction, but I got a little bit of understeer trying to pull me in the bushes. But other than that, we gonna do it again. That's a clean Subi. You stink. That is true. Bro, what's up with this line? We've been in here for like 15 minutes, guys. But who's complaining? I ain't complaining. Shout out to my barber dog. Finally, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, how's
Hello.
it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. What can I get going for you?
Can I do a hot, medium, white chocolate mocha? And then, can you throw an extra shot in that?
Yeah.
Thank you. You think they like my Christmas music? Gotta get in the Christmas spirit, man. Thank you, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. That's why we don't go to Starbucks no more. We don't go to Starbucks because last time we curb rashed all up in that thing. Too tight. Look at this, double lane. Dust Bro's got them double wide hips for them double wide lips. Sorry, I chickened out. That was my bad. I don't trust my car at high speeds. I really don't. It's like, it's always cambered out. I'll get out. I do all the work myself, bro. Like, I just be getting scared of that understeer. I don't want to take Germantown, though. This is our Germantown Road exit. I'm going to actually take Cornelius Pass. A little rolling 20. There's a bump down here. I took this a couple months ago. Nasty bump right here. Yeah, that would have been bad going that fast. Pull over right here. Alright, if you guys are still watching this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Goal for today's video in the first 24 hours is to get 150 likes. I can't be the only one, so let me know down in the comments, guys. If you do your own work on your own car, are you guys scared to drive it sometimes? Besides this car needing a slight alignment adjustment, the steering's fairly loose for a Type S. I've driven a lot of Type S. The little brother's is way stiffer. This used to be stiffer. I don't know what changed. Maybe the suspension or the cam arms, all that extra stuff. When the car gets up in high speeds though, I don't know, I get kind of scared. Car's running good so far. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the drive. And you guys are gonna drop a like. And this road has a lot of bumps too. one piece. We got something to be thankful for today. We got a lot to be thankful for today. Coffee run success, even though it don't taste all that good. I'm just happy the car ran good, guys. Hold still, let me get your, just relax from me, There we go. How's that feel? Huh? How's that feel? You guys see the blue poking? This car needs a, look at that. This car needs another polish. Y'all see that? Alright, I'm exposing myself. This car needs another correction though. Thank you guys for watching today's video. We're gonna go inside the shop, slap the Meisters on because tomorrow morning we are going to Cars and Coffee in Vancouver. So stay tuned. We'll see you guys then. Later.